across the sea tonight, casting silver dreams in the soft moonlight. As I hold you close beneath the stars above, I feel the magic of our endless love. Every heartbeat moves in perfect time, like a sweet reggae rhythm so divine. From the very first day our eyes met, you're the greatest blessing I have known yet. Through every season, through every year, my heart keeps drawing close and near. No matter where life's journey may lead, your love is all I'll ever need. Forever our love will shine so bright, like island stars in the peaceful night. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes, two hearts beating together as one. Forever our love will softly grow, like a river that will always flow. Under reggae sky so wide above, we'll live forever in endless love. The ocean sings a melody so sweet, as the warm sand moves beneath our feet. Every promise spoken from the heart brings us closer, never far apart. The gentle breeze carries your name, and every day my feelings stay the same. You bring sunshine after every rain, and fill my world with joy again. Through every season, through every year, my heart keeps drawing close and near. No matter where life's journey may lead, your love is all I'll ever need. Forever our love will shine so bright, like island stars in the peaceful night. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes, two hearts beating together as one. Forever our love will softly grow, like a river that will always flow. Under reggae sky so wide above, we'll live forever in endless love. When the world grows quiet and still, my heart will love you always and will. No mountain high, no distant shore could stop me from loving you more. The rhythm of our souls moves naturally, like waves dancing upon the sea. Together we'll write a timeless song, a love that carries on and on. Forever our love will light the way, growing stronger every day. Every sunrise, every moonlit view feels more beautiful because of you. Forever our love will always remain, through every joy and every change. Under moonlit heart starts dancing like a summer day. The island breeze carries your sweet perfume, and suddenly my world begins to bloom. Sometimes you bring me laughter and light, sometimes you keep me awake all night. But no matter what emotions come through, I keep finding my way back to you. Like the tide rolling in and out of the sea, your love has a hold on me. Every feeling rises and flows, and with each moment my affection grows. I'm lost in your love, deeper every day, like a reggae melody carrying me away. Spinning around in this sweet emotion, floating on a sea of devotion. I'm lost in your love, can't break free. You've become the sweetest part of me. Under moonlit skies our hearts unite, swaying together through the night. Through the night. Oh, the stars above seem brighter tonight, reflecting the glow in your eyes so bright. Your gentle touch calms every fear and makes the whole world disappear. Though love can sometimes test the soul, your presence always makes me whole. Like a warm bassline, steady and true, my heart keeps beating for you. Like the tide rolling in and out of the sea, your love has a hold on me. Every feeling rises and flows, and with each moment my affection grows. I'm lost in your love, deeper every day, like a reggae melody carrying me away. Spinning around in this sweet emotion, floating on a sea of devotion. I'm lost in your love, can't break free. You've become the sweetest part of me. Under moonlit skies our hearts unite, swaying together through the night. Oh, 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 oh. When the rain falls softly on the shore, I find myself loving you even more. Every challenge, every turn only makes this flame continue to burn. The rhythm of our hearts beats side by side, like waves moving with the tide. Together we'll follow where love may lead, giving each other all we need. I'm lost in your love endlessly. You're the greatest gift life gave to me. Every sunrise feels brand new, because I get to share it with you. I'm lost in your love, forever true. There's no place I'd rather be than with you. Under reggae skies our love will stay, growing stronger every day. Sweet reggae rhythm, sweet island breeze, you bring my restless heart to ease. Forever faithful, forever true, I'm happily lost in the love of you. Ooh. Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. The moon hangs low above the sea tonight, bringing back memories in the pale moonlight. I remember dancing close beneath the stars, never knowing how precious those moments were. The island breeze still whispers your name, though the seasons pass, the feeling remains. There were words I should have said before, and love I should have shown much more. Now every wave becomes a familiar melody, like an old photograph of what used to be. Your laughter still echoes in my mind, a treasure that's impossible to leave behind. Every lesson that life has taught me now has shown me the value of your love. Somehow the heart grows wiser with the passing years, learning through joy and tears. Now every wave that meets the shore reminds me what my heart is longing for. If time could carry me once again, I'd hold you closer till the very end. If I could love you again, I'd love you better. Hold your hand through every kind of weather, every sunrise, every moonlit view. I'd spend every precious moment with you. If I could love you again, I'd make you see how much your love has always meant to me. Under reggae skies, I never let you go. I give you all the love I didn't show. But life keeps moving like the rolling tide, carrying memories I cannot hide. Still I cherish every dream we shared, every moment that showed you care. The rhythm of my heart still knows your song, a lover's rock groove that lingers on. Though time may change the things we do, a piece of me remains with you. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. If I could love you again, I'd treasure every day, never let a single moment slip away. Every smile, every touch so true would remind me how much I love you. If I could love you again, I'd make it known that your love felt more like home. Under moonlit skies and oceans blue, my heart still sings for you. Sweet reggae rhythm, sweet island breeze, carrying memories across the seas. Though time moves on and years go by, true love never says goodbye. You don't always see what I can see, the beauty shining naturally, like the sunrise touching the Caribbean Sea. You bring warmth and light so effortlessly. Every smile brightens up the day, every word takes my breath away. If only you could view yourself through my eyes, you'd see a treasure beyond the skies. No diamond sparkles quite the same, no star could ever match your flame. The world may turn endlessly, but you're the one meant for me. You're the only one for me. Can't you see the sweetest part of my destiny? Like a lover's rock groove beneath the moonlight, everything about you feels so right. You're the only one for me, my queen, more beautiful than you've ever seen. Under reggae skies our love will grow, stronger with every breeze that blows. The ocean sings a gentle song tonight, while your eyes glow softly in the light. You don't need to change a thing at all, you're already standing tall. Every dream I carry in my heart has included you right from the start. Your gentle spirit, your loving soul are what make my world feel whole. No diamond sparkles quite the same, no star could ever match your flame. The world may turn endlessly, but you're the one meant for me. You're the only one for me. Can't you see part of my destiny. Like a lover's rock groove beneath the moonlight. Everything about you feels so right. You're the only one for me, my queen, more beautiful than you've ever seen. Under reggae skies our love will grow, stronger with every breeze that blows. Whenever doubt begins to rise, look into these loving eyes. You'll find a reflection clear and true of all the wonderful things about you. The rhythm of our hearts beats side by side, like waves moving with the tide. Together we'll write a love so strong, a melody that carries on. You're the only one for me, endlessly, the greatest gift life gave to me. Every sunrise feels brand new, because I get to spend it with you. You're the only one for me forevermore, the love I've always been searching for. Under moonlit skies and oceans blue, my heart belongs completely to you. Sweet island breeze, sweet reggae sound, in your love true joy is found. Forever faithful, forever true. There's nobody in this world like you.
Across the oceans and distant skies, I carry your memory deep inside. Every sunset reminds me of you, and all the promises we've held true. The island breeze whispers your name, though miles apart, the feeling remains. No matter where this journey goes, your love is the place I call home. Every star above the sea keeps bringing your love back to me. No distance can erase the way I think about you every day. the first time you smiled at me, my heart found a place it wanted to be. Like a calm sea beneath the moonlight glow, my love for you continues to grow. Every morning when I see your face, I feel surrounded by amazing grace. Through every season, through every year, there's nowhere else I'd rather be than here. When the winds of life begin to blow, there's one thing you'll always know. No matter what tomorrow may bring, my heart will keep on singing. Right here forever, right by your side, with a love that's deeper than the ocean tide. No distance, no storm, no passing time could ever change this heart of mine. Right here forever, faithful and true. Every road keeps leading back to you. Under reggae skies our love will shine. Your heart forever join with mine. Oh, the stars above tell stories of love, while Jah sends blessings from above. And every blessing I receive is another reason to believe. The warmth of your touch, the sound of your voice reminds me every day I've made the right choice. You bring peace when my world feels fast, a kind of love built to last. When the wings of life begin to blow, there's one thing you'll always know. No matter what tomorrow may bring, my heart will keep on singing. Right here forever, right by your side, with a love that's deeper than the ocean tide. No distance, no storm, no passing time could ever change this heart of mine. Right here forever, faithful and true. Every road keeps leading back to you. Under reggae skies our love will shine. Your heart forever join with mine. If the rain clouds gather in the sky, I'll still be standing by your side. If the nights grow long and hard to face, you'll always find me in this place. The rhythm of our hearts beats steady and strong, like a lover's rock groove, carrying on with every step and every dream. Together is where we're meant to be. Right here forever, endlessly. You're the sweetest part of my destiny. Every sunrise, every moonlit view feels more beautiful because of you. Right here forever, that's my vow. To love you then, to love you now. Under island stars we'll always stay, growing stronger every day. Sweet reggae rhythm, sweet island breeze, your love brings my heart complete ease. Forever faithful, forever true, my life is brighter because of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah. When the clouds gather and the skies turn gray, I'll be right beside you every step of the way. When the road gets rough and your spirit feels low, my love will be the light that helps you grow. You don't have to carry every burden alone. You've got a heart that's stronger than you've ever known. Take my hand and let the worries fade away. Together we'll face another day. Whenever doubt begins to rise, look into these loving eyes. There's a fire deep inside your soul, and I'll remind you till you know you're stronger than you realize. its way, growing stronger every day. Every dream that's resting in your soul deserves a chance to become whole. I'll be cheering for you through the night, believing in your inner light. Whenever doubt begins to rise, look into these loving eyes. There's a fire deep inside your soul, and I'll remind you till you know you're stronger than you realize, brighter than the stars that fill the skies. With the strength of my love surrounding you, there's nothing that you cannot do. You're stronger than every fear you face, wrapped forever in my embrace. Under reggae skies we'll rise above, guided by the strength of our love. When the rain falls down and the winds blow strong, remember that you still belong. Every challenge is another step toward the dreams you haven't reached yet. The rhythm of our hearts beats side by side, like the endless movement of the tide. Through every season, through every year, I'll always be right here. Stronger than you realize, shining brighter with each sunrise. With the strength of my love surrounding you, every dream can come true. You're stronger than every storm above, protected by our endless love. Under moonlit skies we'll always stand together, hand in hand. Sweet reggae rhythm, sweet island breeze, your heart can conquer anything with ease. Forever faithful, forever true, I'll always believe in you. Oh, yeah. And the morning sun rises over the sea, your sweet love keeps shining on me. No matter what the day may bring, your voice makes my heart sing. The world keeps turning, seasons change, but my feelings remain the same. Every heartbeat tells me it's true, there's no one else but you. Through every storm and every tide, I'll be standing by your side. When the night gets cold and long, your love keeps me strong. Nothing can change this love I feel, a love so pure, a love so real. Like the ocean waves upon the shore, I keep loving you more and more. Nothing can change this love tonight. You're my sunshine and my guiding light. Under reggae skies we'll always be bound together endlessly. The moonlight dances across your face, and time slows down in your embrace. Every smile brightens my day and takes all my fears away. No distance, no mountain high could ever stop the way I feel inside. You're the melody my soul knew long before I ever met you. Through every storm and every tide, I'll be standing by your side. When the night gets cold and long, your love keeps me strong. Nothing can change this love stars are glowing softly tonight. The moon is painting silver light. A gentle breeze moves through the air, and all I need is you right here. The music plays so sweet and low as our hearts move with the rhythm's flow. Every glance pulls me closer still, lost inside a love so real. No need for words, your eyes can say everything my heart feels today. Wrapped within this peaceful groove, together we sway, together we move. Moonlight and you, that's all I need. Like the ocean dancing with the sea breeze. Slowly we move to the reggae sound. A deeper love is being found. Moonlight and you, holding me tight, making everything feel right tonight. Under island sky so bright and blue, nothing compares to moonlight and you. The night feels endless in your embrace. I see forever upon your face. Every heartbeat tells me it's true. My world begins and ends with you. The warm bassline fills the air, while our love surrounds us everywhere. With every step and every smile, you make this moment worthwhile. No need for words, your eyes can say everything my heart feels today. Wrapped within this peaceful groove, together we sway, together we move. Moonlight and you, that's all I need. Like the ocean dancing with the sea breeze. Slowly we move to the reggae sound. A deeper love is being found. Moonlight and you, holding me tight, making everything feel right tonight. Under island sky so bright and blue, nothing compares to moonlight and you. The world fades away when you're near, leaving behind every doubt and fear. Just the rhythm, your touch, and our song. A love that's been waiting all along. Like waves returning to the shore, I find myself loving you more and more. With every breath and every view, my heart keeps running back to you. Moonlight and you, forever true. The sweetest dream I've ever known. Every melody, every rhyme says your heart belongs with mine. Moonlight and you, endlessly, the sweetest part of my destiny. Under reggae skies we'll always stay, dancing our worries away. Sweet reggae rhythm, sweet lover's night. Everything feels so right, with the stars above and the ocean blue. All I ever need is moonlight and you. Oh, oh. Some days we laugh beneath the sunshine. Some days the clouds refuse to leave our sky. We may not always get everything right, but your love keeps me holding on tight. We walk through moments sweet and rough, learning that real love is enough. Through every challenge that comes our way, we find a reason to stay. No fairy tale, no fantasy, just two hearts finding harmony. Hand in hand we'll The ocean waves don't always flow the same, yet they return again and again. Just like our hearts keep finding their way closer with each passing day. Sometimes we stumble, sometimes we bend, but true love always finds a way to mend. Every lesson makes us strong and keeps our melody moving along. Fairy tale, no fantasy, just two hearts finding harmony. Hand in hand we'll face it all, standing strong whenever we fall. This perfectly imperfect love feels like a blessing sent from above. Oh, through every tear and every smile, we'll keep walking every mile. This perfectly imperfect love, oh, fits me like a gentle glow. Under reggae skies we'll always be, growing together naturally. Oh, when the rain falls down and shadows appear, your loving voice is all I need to hear. Every storm becomes easier to face when I'm wrapped inside your embrace. The rhythm of our hearts keeps beating strong, like a lover's rock groove, carrying on. No matter what tomorrow may bring, you're still my everything. This perfectly imperfect love is more than I ever dreamed of. Every sunrise feels brand new because I get to share it with you. This perfectly imperfect love will always rise above, under moonlit skies and oceans blue. My heart belongs to you. Sweet reggae rhythm, sweet island breeze, you bring my restless heart to ease. Forever together, come what may, we'll keep loving day by day. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah. From the moment you entered my life, you filled my days with pure delight, like sunshine dancing on the ocean blue. Every beautiful dream begins with you. Your laughter flows like a sweet melody, carried gently by the island breeze. Every touch sets my spirit free. You're the sweetest part of me. No crown of gold could shine so bright as the love I see within your eyes tonight. With every heartbeat I understand you're the blessing Jah placed in my hands. Empress of my heart, ruler of my soul, your loving presence makes me whole. Like a lover's rock rhythm, soft and slow, you make my deepest feeling show. Empress of my heart, forever you'll be the sweetest part of my destiny. Under moonlit skies our love will shine, your heart forever linked with mine. The stars above tell our story tonight, a tale of love glowing warm and bright. No treasure found beneath the sea could ever mean as much to me. When life gets rough and roads get long, your love keeps me steady and strong. Every day I thank Jah above for blessing me with your inside me I can never forget. Like a sweet reggae rhythm calling my name. My life and my heart have never been the same. Every sunrise brings your memory near. Every whisper of the breeze says you're here. Through every road and every mile, I'm guided by your loving smile. And if the stars stop shining tonight, your love will still be my guiding light. No matter where life takes us to, my heart keeps finding its way to you. Destined to love you, destined to stay forever beside you every day. You're the melody my soul has known, the sweetest love I've ever owned. Destined to love you endlessly. You're the answer to my destiny. Under moonlit skies our hearts align. Your love forever intertwined with mine. The ocean waves keep singing our song, a timeless love that keeps growing strong. Every touch feels like paradise, a precious treasure beyond our price. When the world grows cold and storms appear, your gentle voice is all I need to hear. You bring comfort to my restless soul and make my broken pieces whole. And if the stars stop shining tonight, your love will still be my guiding light. No matter where life takes us to, my heart keeps finding its way to you. Destined to love you, destined to stay forever beside you every day. You're the melody my soul has known, the sweetest love I've ever owned. Destined to love you endlessly. You're the answer to my destiny. Under moonlit skies our hearts align. Your love forever intertwined with mine. No mountain too high, no river too wide, nothing could keep me from your side. With every heartbeat, every prayer, I feel your love surrounding me everywhere. The rhythm of our hearts beats strong and true, like a lover's rock groove made for two. Together we'll dance through joy and pain and find our sunshine after rain. Destined to love you, that's how I feel. A love so precious, a love so real. Every dream begins with you, and every promise stays true. Destined to love you forevermore, like the waves returning to the shore. Under reggae skies we'll always be bound together for eternity. Sweet island breeze, sweet island, sweet moonlit sea, sweet moonlit sea. Your love means everything to me. Forever faithful, forever true, forever true. My heart was destined to love you. Oh, yeah. Since the day you walked into my life, you brought sunshine where there once was night. Every little smile, every gentle touch made me realize I need you so much. When we're together, time just slips away, like waves on the shore at the close of day. Your love surrounds me like a sweet melody and fills my heart with harmony. Through every season, through every storm, your loving arms keep me safe and warm. No matter where this road may lead, never shine as bright as the love I see within your eyes tonight. Every dream I have begins with you. A love so pure, a love so true. The ocean breeze whispers your name, and every sunset feels the same. A reminder that my heart can see you're the only one for me. Through every season, through every storm, your loving arms keep me safe and warm. No matter where this road may lead, your love is all I'll ever need. Always by your side is where I belong. You're the rhythm in my favorite song. Every heartbeat calls your name, and nothing will ever be the same. Always by your side, forever true. My world feels complete because of you. Like a lover's rock group beneath the moonlight, holding your love feels so right. If the clouds should cover the sky above, I'll still be guided by your love. When the world gets heavy and hard to bear, I find my peace whenever you're there. Hand in hand we'll walk this road, sharing every joy and every load. Together we'll write our story strong, a love that carries on and on. Always by your side, that's where I'll stay. That's where I'll stay. Loving you more with every passing day. You're the sweetest gift my heart has known, the one true love I've ever shown. Always by your side, endlessly. You're my future and my destiny. Under reggae skies our hearts unite, dancing together through the night. Hey, hey. Sweet island breeze, sweet reggae sound, the greatest love I've ever found. Forever yours, forever mine, our hearts together through all time. Oh, oh. Some people chase the riches of the world. Some are searching for diamonds and pearls, but all I ever wanted from the start was the precious love living in your heart. When the morning sun shines through the sky, and the island breeze gently passes by, I thank Jah every single day for sending your sweet love my way. No golden crown could ever compare to the way you show me that you care. Through every season, near or far, you're my blessing, my shining star. You are my treasure, my heart's desire, the sweetest flame that keeps burning higher. When you're beside me, everything feels right, like moonlit reggae dancing through the night. You are my treasure, my sweetest song, the place where my soul belongs. Nothing in this world could ever replace the love I see upon your face. The ocean waves keep rolling to the shore, brings peace to my soul and makes this broken world feel whole. No fancy things could ever make me feel the way your loving arms reveal a happiness so pure and true. Every dream begins with you. No golden crown could ever compare to the way you show me that you care. Through every season, near or far, you're my blessing, my shining star. You are my treasure, my heart's desire, the sweetest flame that keeps burning higher. When you're beside me, everything feels right, like moonlit reggae dancing through the night. You are my treasure, my sweetest song, the place where my soul belongs. Nothing in this world could ever replace the love I see upon your face. When the rain falls down and skies turn gray, loving smile brightens up my day. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes, together forever as one. The rhythm of our hearts keeps beating strong, like a lover's heart melody carrying on. With every heartbeat I can clearly see you're the greatest gift given to me. You are my treasure, my heart's delight, my sunshine in the darkest night. Every moment spent with you feels new, like the first time I said I love you. You are my treasure, endlessly, the sweetest part of my destiny. Nothing in this world could ever compare to this beautiful love we share. Sweet reggae rhythm, sweet island breeze, your love puts my restless heart at ease. Forever and always, my love stays true. My world is complete because of you. Morning sunlight softly touching your face. Every little moment feels like a special place. The way you laugh, the way you shine, makes every day feel so divine, yeah. You don't have to change a thing, my love. You're the answer I've been dreaming of. Natural beauty, pure and true. The whole world glows when I'm with you. And when you smile, my heart takes flight, like stars appearing in the island night. No matter where this life may lead, your love is everything I need. You're beautiful to me, just naturally, like the ocean waves rolling endlessly. Every little thing that you do makes me fall deeper in love with you. You're beautiful to me, can't you see? You're the sweetest melody. Under reggae skies we'll sway so slow. In your loving arms is where I wanna go. Walking together on a moonlit shore. Every day I love you more and more. Your gentle touch calms every fear and fills my soul whenever you're near. No diamond shine the way you do. No summer sky could be so blue. You're my sunshine after the rain, my comfort, my joy, my sweetest refrain. And when you smile, my heart takes flight, like stars appearing in the island night. No matter where this life may lead, your love is everything I need. You're beautiful to me, just naturally, like the ocean waves rolling endlessly. Every little
treasure could I find than your sweet love and peaceful mind? The rhythm of our hearts beats as one, from sunrise glow to setting sun, forever together, hand in hand, building our dreams across the sand. You're beautiful to me, endlessly, like a perfect song upon the sea. Every little thing that you do makes my world feel bright and new. You're beautiful to me, faithfully, my forever destiny. Under reggae skies our love will grow stronger with every breeze that blows. Sweet island breeze, sweet island night, holding you close feels so right. With every heartbeat, my love is true. My world begins and ends with you.
Moonlight dancing on the shoreline tonight, your smile shining brighter than the stars inside. Every little moment feels so right with you, like a sweet island breeze making dreams come true. The way you hold my hand, the way you call my name, every heartbeat whispers that I'll never be the same. Through the highs and lows, through the storm and rain, your love keeps me grounded, keeps me safe again. When the world keeps turning fast, you're the one that makes it last. Every second, every day, you take my worries all away. Forever in my arms, forever in my soul, you're the missing piece that makes my spirit whole. Under reggae skies we'll dance the night away, wrapped up in your love I wanna stay. Forever in my arms, forever by my side, with you beside me there's no place to hide. My heart belongs to you, that's all I know. Forever in your love is where I wanna go. Whoa, golden sunrise painting colors in your eyes. Every little glance feels like paradise. You're the melody playing softly in my mind. A sweeter kind of love is impossible to find. Walking by the ocean, footprints in the sand, knowing every future starts with holding your hand. You bring peace to my soul, joy to my day, and every road I travel leads me away. When the world keeps turning fast, you're the one that makes it last. Every second, every day, you take my worries all away. Forever in my arms, forever in my soul, you're the missing piece that makes my spirit whole. Under reggae skies we'll dance the night away, wrapped up in your love I wanna stay. Forever in my arms, forever by my side, with you beside me there's no place to hide. My heart belongs to you, that's all I know. Forever in your love is where I wanna go. No mountain too high, no river too wide, as long as I have you walking by my side. The rhythm of our love keeps beating strong, together forever is where we belong. Forever in my arms, forever in my soul, you're the sweetest blessing that has made me whole. Under moonlit skies we sway so slow, lost inside a love that continues to grow. Forever in my arms, forever you'll remain, my sunshine after every cloud and rain. With every breath I take, my heart will say, I love you more and more each day. Sweet reggae love, sweet reggae night, holding you close feels so right. Forever and always endlessly true, my heart beats one